Yes, Naqvi ji, you want to say something?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir,
Listen to Naqvi ji.
Sir, 1 minute.
Listen to the suggestion.
एक मिनट नहीं एक मिनट सर आपके चैम्बर में डिसाइड हुआ आपके चैम्बर में बिफोर यू सर ये डिसीजन हुआ कि ये जो इम्पोर्टेंट बिल्स हैं ये जो है वो 2 बजे हम लेंगे और उसके बाद कुछ ऑनरेबल मेंबर जिसमें कपिल सिब्बल जी को कुछ इशू उठाना था हमने कहा आप उठाइए उठाने के बाद जो भी इशू होगा उसका जो है वो रिप्लाई ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर देंगे ये बात आपके चैम्बर में हुई और आपके सामने हुई आप इस बात के गवाह हैं और उसके बाद अभी आते ही कहेंगे जी नहीं कोई लेजिस्लेटिव बिजनेस हम नहीं पास करेंगे कोई भी बिल नहीं पास करेंगे गरीबों का कोई काम नहीं करेंगे किसानों के हितों का कोई काम नहीं करेंगे मजदूरों के हित वाला कोई काम नहीं करेंगे नौजवानों की तरक्की का कोई काम नहीं करेंगे केवल नफाजी होगी तो ये नहीं चलेगा
Anand Sharma, you want to say something?
Sir, what was discussed and fortunately other colleagues are present here. We were as reasonable as possible. We said we have no intention to block the bill that will replace the ordinance, but at the same time, let there be a discussion. This is an important matter that has been raised. It's agitating the members. Therefore, those who have given notices, let them be allowed to speak. And after that, the finance minister will set to rest and these apprehensions, these concerns about the country's currency that have been raised. Once the discussion is over, you pass the bill. That's what we say.
What is
what we repeat here.
What is Jairam Ramesh? Yes.
And number 2, the statement tomorrow from the Home Minister. Let the Home Minister give the statement. I'm sure that the Finance Minister between yesterday and now would have found out what is this mystery. And you can...
Yes, Jairam Ramesh, what is your problem?
Country be reassured that there is nothing wrong, serious which is happening and the currency is in safe hand. Because nowhere you find different sizes.
All right, Ramesh.
That is a concern.
Yeah.
So Kapil Sibal ji has raised a very important matter. So that should be. And second thing is, let's this house be serious about one matter. It is not one incident. It was one incident once which rocked the country. One recent incident rocked us. Now, what has happened in Chandigarh, but the matter that has been raised is a serious matter. And Chandigarh is a union territory. It's not a state issue. So, union territory is directly under the Home Minister. So, Home Minister will have to respond to that.
Okay.
You cannot be silent on that.
Jairam Ramesh, yes.
My request to you is, the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill is a very important piece of legislation. We all understand that this was issued as an ordinance. We have to convert it into legislation. There are very serious issues that I myself would like to raise. My request to you is, please do not pass this bill in a din unless the House is in order. Do not take it up for discussion. Do not take it up for discussion.
हम तो तैयार हैं आप डिस्कशन करिए ना सर
Do not rush it.
अभी आप डिस्कशन करिए और जिस इशू को कपिल जी कह रहे हैं वो भी इसमें आ जाएगा
Yes, Raja.
सर वी आर रेडी इनको डिस्कस करें और कपिल जी जो मुद्दा कह रहे हैं बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन वो भी आ जाएगा आप कर लीजिए डिस्कस इसका एक घंटा इलाट है आप 2 घंटा डिस्कस करिए
Sir, I agree with Mr. Jairam Ramesh. No bill should be passed in din, sir.
But then,
and this is important bill. No bill should be passed
Raja,
in din. That's
okay,
what we are
I have no problem. I am only asking one question. See, I am only asking one question. On one side, you say no bill to be passed on the din. And if the House is always on din, what the chair will do? You tell me. Tell me.
We will cooperate
Tell me.
with you. We will cooperate with you.
So my suggestion is, see, there is no harm. Honorable Minister have made a suggestion. Pass this bill, then discuss Kapil Sibal subject. Discuss Kapil Sibal subject. That is what he said, isn't it? Yeah, no, that is what I am saying. Because bill. No, bill.
Sir, please.
All of you agree that bill has to be passed. No, one second. All of you agree that the bill has to be passed.
1 minute. We have to resolve this matter. Now we can only resolve it not by combining the two. These are two separate issues.
Yeah.
Banking regulation, that bill, which will replace the ordinance, is separate. And yes, there may be members, and as Jairam has said, who will have some questions to ask, and the finance minister is competent to and capable to answer those. So there will be a discussion, and we understand that the House has to pass that. But at the same time, we would not like these to be linked. The issue raised by Shri Kapil Sibal and other members, including Derek and others, notices are there. Let that be discussed, and let this be put behind. We cannot wait for the next session of Parliament. That the currency, there is nothing wrong with the currency.
Today he shall discuss. That is what he
Today
said.
we are ready. He is ready.
No,
You
that's
started
what,
now.
No, that's what I am saying, Anand Sharmaji. Anand Sharmaji, Anand Sharma, you are a seasoned parliamentarian, senior, you are minister. Understand my problem also. Listen.
We understand.
No, let me complete it. Because the banking regulation, that is an item listed in, let me complete, listed in the list of business. Therefore, how can I keep it away and take a subject for discussion which is not listed? Therefore, I am only saying, let us take this bill which is which is listed. No, listen. Let us take this subject which is already listed. Pass it. It is only 1 hour. 1 hour is allotted, and 1 hour. Let me say 1 hour pass.
So can I?
Or half an hour. What do you say?
I may say
then we
something,
take
sir.
the discussion.
Sir.
Then we take the discussion.
It's not. Sir, if I may say.
Whatever may be.
Sir.
No, you take more time.
Sir.
But after this, we will take up
Sir,
discussion.
I have to say one thing, that the House is going to be there just for tomorrow and day after. It will be more for the farewell and the welcoming the new chairman. Now, members will not have any other time to raise matters. It is important, absolutely important, that the one short duration, which in principle stands accepted in the BSC,
We will have it after passing the bill.
given to
Do
us
it.
before the bill. Sir, let this be settled.
It is already listed in
be
the
settled.
business. How do I do that? Yes, Shiva. Tiruchi Shiva, can you solve it?
Sir, the issue which Mr. Kapil Sibal raised was under Rule 267, sir. To suspend all the business.
That is already
sir,
rejected.
of the business, all the business
But
of the day.
We can consider on
Sir,
176.
sir, yes, sir. But now that you have agreed that a discussion can be done, but only after
Not
the
under
bill.
267.
After the bill. But as per the motion which he has moved, instead of suspending the whole business, sir, we are taking up the business, but you just give half an hour or so, let them complete the discussion and the business could be taken. We want the bill to be discussed, sir, in detail. So we cannot pass the bill in a din. So if this continues, I think, sir, the bill will also get stuck. So kindly, you give some time, let them complete it and we can go ahead.
No, you cooperate.
Commitment of the Congress party. It is not our commitment. This is a commitment of the Congress party. Congress party committed कि पहले हम बिल पास करेंगे, उसके बाद आप डिस्कशन करेंगे. और ये सर आपके सामने
I
हुआ है.
agree. Yes.
You are a witness.
Yes, yes.
सर आपके सामने हुआ है.
That was
आप
the
witness
first.
है इसके.
Yeah.
I have to add only one thing, sir. Why this ordinance is important? By this ordinance, RBI is to direct the banks to initiate proceedings against big NPA companies. That is the power they are giving. It is designed to probity and propriety. Therefore, if the ordinance does not become a law, we will have to come with ordinance again. Congress party and CPI, CPM, I would urge upon them, this is designed only to give the RBI the mandate to force the bank to initiate proceedings against erring NPAs. Please, that is the whole essence. Therefore, it is very important.
Yes,
I would urge upon all the Congress friends to please consider. It is a very important bill, sir.
You agree? No, see.
Sir, I'll give you a solution.
There are Ramesh.
Sir, this ordinance,
There are Ramesh.
1 minute, this ordinance has been issued because of the threat to financial stability and to empower the RBI to recover the NPA from the banks. The greater threat to financial stability is coming from different currency notes. If you are doing financial stability, start with the currency notes first and then take the ordinance. That is the bigger issue.
I heard you.
Financial stability
No,
is being threatened by the issue of different currency notes. So take that up
See,
as an issue.
I am telling you, I am giving a, all of you kindly sit down. All of you. I appeal to your sense and, yeah.
Sir, we know very well the importance of any ordinance. And this ordinances A or B have to be passed in the first available session. Otherwise, the ordinances get lapsed. So we are equally interested that ordinances, which are very important, should be passed. But I think the understanding in the meeting was that yes, we will pass the ordinance, we will take up the discussion, but once the issue raised by Mr. Kapil Sibal is disposed of, so that is being discussed. So he has given one notices, 167 and 176. So one he was supposed to raise in the morning, but insofar as the morning session was concerned, keeping in view the solemnity of the occasion, he didn't raise it. Now, this is the time when he has to be allowed to speak in either against, under either of the two discussions which he has sought for. Let us finish that within an hour or so, and after that we will have discussion on the ordinance. So,
See,
we have another 2.5 hours to
now,
go.
see, okay.
LLP, you are ready for discussion. Whatever you want to say.
See,
Honorable.
yes, 1 second. Now, I heard both sides. I heard the government. I heard the opposition. I heard the other members also. So I am giving a suggestion and appealing to your good senses to consider it. That is this. That is this. The Kapil Sibal's request is that he gave a 267 notice, which I said 267 I did not permit. But he has also given 176. Now, if this bill, now, chair's view I am taking, and after hearing all sides, I would suggest and request that in 1 hour, let us dispose of this bill. And let me complete. And then I am ready to convert the 267 into 176 short duration, and we can take short duration discussion immediately. I have no problem. Short duration discussion immediately. That is a via media, which was actually suggested by.
If you had taken this suggestion at 2 o'clock, we'd have been having that discussion now at 5 o'clock. We'd have passed the bill. But now we are stuck. That's why we are insisting that the short duration has to be passed.
Wisdom comes late. What we do?
We have wasted 90 minutes.
Wisdom comes late. Sit down.
Bolo?
To all, see, to some people, wisdom come early. So, what do you say about this? This is my suggestion. Do you agree?
सर बिल पास कर लीजिए, उसके बाद जो है वो जो बात वो कहना चाहते हैं, ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर will give the reply. But first pass the bill. First pass the bill.
That's what I said.
Then.
That's what.
We reverse the decision, and I am told again by my chief whip that it was agreed with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that we will first discuss this and then later on we'll discuss the bill.
हमें मालूम है कि आप जो है वो सारा चीज डिस्कस करने के बाद बड़े प्यार से हल्ला मचाते हुए और चले जाएंगे, बिल पास। इतना हम भी जानते हैं, इतना आप भी जानते हैं। इसलिए आपने जो वादा किया है वो वादा आप जो तोड़ रहे हैं, इसलिए इससे शक हो रहा है। आपने जो वादा किया था उससे करिए। हम कह रहे हैं कि आप जो है
If no decision, I will adjourn the house.
ऑर्डिनेंस पास करिए, उसके बाद जो है वो आप अपनी चर्चा करिए, जो चर्चा है।
If no decision, I will have to adjourn the house for the day. I can't. If no agreement, I will have to adjourn the house for the day. No. First bill and then discussion. If that is not agreed to, I will adjourn the house. Then I will adjourn the House. I'll have to adjourn the House. Do you, LOP, Honorable LOP, do you agree to have the bill taken up first? I will have to adjourn the House.
सर इतने प्यार से तो हाउस चल रहा है, क्यों एडजन कर रहे हैं? सब लोग बैठे हैं शांति से सर।
शांति से बैठे।
इतने प्यार से हाउस चल रहा है। Why are you adjourning?
शांति, yeah. That is correct. House is in order, then I can take.
So please take the bill and discuss.
Okay. I am taking. So then I am taking up the. No. No.
Said it. That we
What I
understand
said
the
is final.
importance and we understand the responsibility of the House. When we have said it in the open house, it is unfair. अरे चुप करिए ना आप जैसे लोग तो कलेश कराएंगे। प्यार से बात हो रही है, झगड़ा कराना चाहते हो, बैठ जाओ। अरे चुप करके बैठिए आप। ऐसे लोगों को झगड़ा करते हैं यहाँ। तुमको समझ नहीं आ रही, आराम से समझो। काहे शोर करते हो? बैठ जाओ।
नरेश अग्रवाल जी कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं, क्यों नहीं बोलते? You can help us.
ये विषय ऐसा है, गंभीर है। अगर
अरे इसलिए मैंने बोला डिस्कशन हो जाएगा, ये बिल पासने के बाद डिस्कशन हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैंने बोला।
नकली कौन सा है पता नहीं, कौन सा आतंकवादी से लाया, कौन सा पाकिस्तान में छपा,
अजोन करेगा, यही सोल्यूशन है।
तो क्या करेंगे फिर? ये अभी तक हो जाती चर्चा तो क्या नुकसान? उसको पास कर लेंगे। ऐसा कैसे चलेगा?
Dinner tonight. That's why he's asking the House to be adjourned. He's not serious. Please don't take that suggestion.
रात को इन्होंने पूरे देश को हैरान किया और लेट तक जगाए रखा।
सर मैं आपसे
हैरान तो आपने किया।
सर डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, डिप्टी चेयरमैन
44 लोग मुश्किल से जुटा पाए, पूरे 45 भी नहीं कर पाए।
सर मैं एक मैं प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ माननीय विपक्ष के नेता से और विपक्ष के उपनेता से। कोई आपत्ति तो है नहीं, वो भी चाहते हैं बहस हो, हम भी चाहते हैं बहस हो। एक बार जब आपने एक बहुत ही अच्छी सलाह दी है कि आप 1 घंटे में बिल को ख़त्म कर लीजिए, कई चर्चा बिल में भी आ जाएगी। उसके बाद हम बैठे हैं, वित्त मंत्री बैठे हैं, कपिल सिब्बल की बाकी की जो चिंता है उसका निराकरण होगा, बहस होगा। इस पे कौन सी बात हो रही है? हम लोग अगर हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स हैं, आपकी ये बात माने, हम आपसे आग्रह कर रहे हैं, आपकी इस बात को मान लें। और सर मैं फिर कहूंगा, ये जो ऑर्डिनेंस है गरीबों
मेरे को समझ गया
को पावर देता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ये इमेज न दे कि वो ऐसे कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी ये इमेज न दे कि वो बड़े एनपीए की जो कंपनियां हैं उनके साथ खड़ी है। ये इंप्रेशन मत देना।
लेट मी ट्राई दिस।
मैं माननीय आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि इतना गंभीर मामला है, काइंडली आप लोग उठिए। ये जो बड़े डेविएंट कंपनी है जो एनपीए को नहीं पेमेंट करती है, उसके लिए आरबीआई को पावर दे रहे हैं हम लोग, और उसका भी विरोध कर रहे हैं। ये तो गरीबों के हित में है सर, ये तो गरीबों के हक में है। ये
Statutory Resolution, Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2017. Dr. Subbarama Reddy, you would like to move? Statutory Resolution. You see, I am taking up the bill. It is your motion. It is your statutory motion.
Mike. On behalf of my senior colleague Arun Jaitley, I move to that bill further to amend the Banking Regulation Act 1949 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
Banking Regulation Act. It is statutory motion. It is not. I'm going to
की सरकार नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। जाली नोटों की सरकार।
House is adjourned till Thursday, 11 hours, 10th August, till 11 hours, 10th August.